Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to get FaceCam on Roblox. Well, first you have to log into your Roblox account and then choose a game that you want to play. For example, I'm going to play this Please Donate. Okay, so click the green button and then you just have to download and install the game. And then after that, you just have to wait as it is installing and then this game will pop up. Roblox now supports avatar chat using the camera on your device. When activated, Roblox will continuously monitor your facial emotions and animations and reflect them on your avatar. Roblox made it possible for creators to make facial animations in Studio, utilizing the new Face Animation Editor tool in June 2022. Any supported head can be animated using the animation editor by manually defining poses on the animation track. That's creating complicated emotions with the face animation editor, or automatically tracking facial movements from your webcam if you have with the animation capture tool. So it only means that whatever expressions you show on your webcam, your avatar will totally, or everyone can see it on your avatar. So you just have to go to your Roblox and go to avatar, and you can see here, you can choose any of the avatar faces here. If you have, you just have to click that in order for you to use that. Okay, so on a browser, choose the avatar tab on the left side of the screen to begin customizing your Roblox avatar. You can modify the objects on your avatar from this menu. You can add items to your Roblox avatar by tapping on any of the pull-down choices that are there and choosing categories such as hat, hair, and so on. Another thing to make sure that you can use this feature is to enable your camera on your privacy settings. Okay, and also your microphone. You have or you should submit a valid ID in order for you to use your voice feature and camera feature on Roblox. So make sure that you enable this one. You can see the green icon here. Now, if you go to Roblox, you can see above or even the settings, you can see there that there is a video icon. If you're going to tap that one, then it will flash or it will point directly to your face if you're using your webcam. But maybe for my account, I haven't got this feature because I have to submit like ID or I have to do such things in order for me to get that feature. But if you have, you just have to click the camera icon and then you must have your webcam and then you just have to do some expressions, then your avatar will just copy it. Okay, it's very easy to know if the game has this feature. All you have to do is to go to the name of the game. For example, Please Donate. Please Donate has this feature or has this microphone and camera feature that obviously you can use your, or if you play, you can use your avatar. You just have to go in this section and check that this game has microphone and camera under communication because not all games has that. For example, this one. Or let's just say I'm going to pick a game and I'm going to show you that under communication, the game has only a microphone feature. So that means you cannot use this face cam because you cannot use your webcam when you play this one. So that's how easy it is. All you have to do is to simply go to your avatar editor, import or edit your avatar, use it, and once you're on your game or once you're playing, all you have to do is to turn on your webcam and then point your face and feel free to make any expressions and your avatar will be the one to let people know what you are feeling at that very moment while you're playing Roblox. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.